Hello, everyone, and welcome to Jackson's Math Notebook. Today, we are going to multiply a mixed number by a mixed number using the Texas popcorn method. And so here is our test case. 4 2/3 times 2 1/8. And what we're going to do, we're going to turn both these mixed fractions or these mixed numbers into improper fractions and then multiply across. So let's go with 4 2/3 and transform that into an improper fraction. And so as you see right here, uh, we can multiply the denominator by the whole number, and then we add it to the numerator times, keeping 8 at the bottom, 8 times 2 plus 1. And so when we do that in step 1, here's what happens in step 2. Our answer comes out to this 14/3, and that will replace 4 2/3 in this case. And 17/8 will replace 2 1/8. We're going to multiply across. Yes, we're going to get a big number when we do that. And in fact, what we could do, we could cross cancel and simplify the 8 and simplify the 14, but we'll say that for another video. But for now, let's go ahead and get that big number. 14 times 17 will give us 238, and 3 times 8 will give us 24. This is a pretty big improper fraction, but the good news is that we can simplify because both numbers are even, and we can simplify by dividing both the denominator and the numerator by 2. Oh, once upon a time, a student asked me if simplifying an improper fraction, would that change it? Would that change the relationship of the numerator to the denominator? No, that relationship will stay the same as you see right here. 238 becomes 119 when divided by 2. And of course, 24 when divided by 2 becomes 12. And we still have that improper fraction, right? And so we're going to have to divide in order to change it back into a mixed number. And here's where some students have trouble because they're afraid of, let's say, dividing a large number by a double-digit number. It's kind of scary, but here's what you can do. Here's a nice hack. You see 12. 12 is the divisor, and it's also the denominator, and the denominator always tells a fraction what to do, so we can just simply count by 12s. So let's just make a string of numbers counting by 12. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, and we'll stop at 120. Now, the key is what number times 12 would get me to 119 uh, or close to 119 without actually going over 119? We'll see here's when we counted by 12s how that's going to help us. So as we can see, the highest number we can go to is 108 because the next group of 12 would get us at 120. And so now all we have to do is just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we know that 9 times 12 will give us 108. And so 9 would be our whole number. 12 times 9 gives us 108. And 119 take away 108 will give us 11 as our remainder. And of course, remainders are numerators, and our divisor will still be the denominator, and 9 is our whole number, and our answer in this case is 9 11/12. Okay, so it's not that bad if you kind of get yourself used to it, and that's why it's necessary to maybe pause the video and kind of look at the steps, or replay the video as many times as you need to before you take a pencil and paper and go to work on it. But in the meantime, please comment, please share, please like, and subscribe to Jackson's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.